In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use drag and drop in Notion. Notion is a fantastic tool for organizing your thoughts, planning your projects, and collaborating with others. But sometimes you may want to rearrange the content to better suit your workflow. Being able to smoothly move blocks around is a crucial aspect of effectively managing your Notion pages. So, let's dive right into how you can easily achieve this using the drag and drop feature in Notion. First, you'll want to hover your cursor over the block you wish to move. This might be a text block, an image, a to-do list item, or any other type of content block you've created within Notion. As you hover, you will notice a small handle appear to the left of the block content. This handle consists of two parallel vertical dots or lines, often referred to as the drag handle or the handle. It's specifically designed to help you grab and move the block around your page. Now, to start the moving process, click and hold on this handle. Keep in mind that it's important to hold the click as you intend to drag the block across the page. While holding the handle, you'll see that the block is lifted slightly, indicating that it's ready to be moved wherever you desire on your Notion page. Then simply drag the block to the new location where you want it to be placed. As you do this, keep an eye out for the visual indicators that Notion provides. A horizontal line will appear to show you exactly where the block will land if you release it at that moment. These visual guides are incredibly useful for accurately placing your blocks, ensuring your page remains organized and easy to navigate. Once you have reached the desired spot for your block, go ahead and release your mouse or trackpad to drop it into place. The block should now be neatly situated in its new location, and you can continue arranging your content as needed. Utilizing the drag and drop functionality in Notion is not only intuitive but also immensely useful when you're looking to maintain a clean and efficient workspace. This feature allows flexibility in organizing your thoughts, whether you're working alone or collaborating with a team. Feel free to experiment with moving different types of blocks to discover what layout works best for your needs. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to efficiently use drag and drop in Notion, making your experience with this powerful tool even better. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks to optimize your productivity in Notion. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.